Sage Creek in Winnipeg is having a community garage sale this Saturday, May 31st, and I've decided to give away some free plants. If you're interested, come by and check it out. I'll have a variety of plants available. First, there's this yellow ground cover sedum. It's a perennial that comes back every year. It was freshly dug and planted today. I also have some white flowered yarrow, another hardy perennial that's great for pollinators. These were also freshly dug and planted today. These are Jacob Klein Balm, also known as Monarda. They're perennials and hardy to zone 3. They grow about 3 feet tall and produce beautiful red flowers that attract hummingbirds. These were also freshly dug and planted today. If you're interested in bare root plants, I have a few bare root Jacob Klein bee balm as well. Some of these jute plants are free. Jute plants are also known as molokhiya or saluyot. They are annuals that can grow up to 3 feet tall. I have freshly cut Plumeria cuttings available for a small fee. They can be planted once the cut ends have dried and formed scabs. If you're not sure how to plant them, I've made a video tutorial. Just check the link in the description. I also have some hoya plants, though I didn't get a chance to take photos of them. If I find time to dig up more plants tomorrow, I'll bring those along too. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you can stop by and pick up a free plant or two during the Sage Creek Community Garage Sale this Saturday, May 31st. Feel free to bring a friend, ask questions, or just come by to say hi. Don't forget to check the description for the link to my Plumeria planting tutorial and subscribe for more gardening tips and updates. Hope to see you this Saturday at Tall Grass Crescent in Sage Creek, here in Winnipeg.